Congratulations, you have successfully completed the 21-day Keto Zone Challenge. Dad, this is awesome. They did it.
Absolutely. And plus, you're probably fitting in your clothes better, your appetite's better controlled, you have more mental clarity, more energy. It's just amazing the benefits of being in the Keto Zone.
Well, here's the thing. So now that you've completed the Keto Zone Challenge, if you have a testimony, we want to hear from you. In fact, if you take a before and after picture, make sure, hopefully you have your before picture, take your after now, go ahead, email that to testimonies@ketozone.com or testimonies@divinehealth.com, either one. Once you email your after pictures to us, we want to get you a t-shirt. It's I completed the 21-day Keto Zone Challenge t-shirt. We're going to send it to you. Just send us your name, your address, your email, way we can contact you. We'd love to connect with you there. But there's also some next steps. Now that you're done, you probably are wondering what's next. Dad, what can they do next?
Well, first of all, if you haven't reached your goal, keep on the Keto Zone program. That's the key. If you've reached your goal, you can transition into the healthy Mediterranean lifestyle that I outlined in my Beyond Keto book. You've gone through the Keto Zone, then you go into the healthy Mediterranean as a lifestyle program for the rest of your life.
So this is a train stop for many of you. Some of you are getting off the Keto Zone Challenge and you're getting on the Beyond Keto / Mediterranean style part of the diet. That is the lifestyle diet.
Exactly.
If you need to continue losing weight, do not get off the train. Stay on the train and continue on the Keto Zone Challenge until you've reached your goal weight. We love you. Congratulations. We hope you stay connected with us. Stay connected in the Keto Zone community group. Help those that are coming behind you so that you can help those next people. So we love you. Thank you.
Thank you. We're standing with you. Well, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Philippians 4:13.
Amen. We'll see you.